Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Learn Corona. This is your friend Garima. I hope you people are enjoying my videos as I am loving to make them for you. Today the topic that I have chosen is how to say no in a better and polite way. So, let's learn. This happened to you that many a times you want to say no to something but you answer in yes instead just to keep others' heart. But saying yes can be problematic at times. Sometimes saying yes can be stressful or unmanageable too. And also, it can create troubles for you. Saying no is not an easy task, but it is necessary sometimes. So, how can we say no without being rude or without leaving a bad impression? In this video, we will learn this thing. So, let's start. If a friend of yours asks you out for a movie plan, unfortunately in which you are not at all interested, but you cannot say a clear no to him because it may hurt his feelings. So you can say it like this, let me think about it. This let me think about it is a phrase which will indicate that you certainly have some other priorities or engagements. This is why you are not able to give a clear answer at the moment. The second situation be if you are facing an interview and your interviewer asks you something which you don't have any idea about. So how will you answer? Would you say, no sir, I don't know about it? No, it will not sound good. You can say, that's a great idea, it sounds great, but unfortunately I think I need to gather some more knowledge about it. Instead of saying clear no, you can say that, sorry, I'll come back to you about this in a while after collecting some information about this thing. The third situation be if you have already joined a company and this is your weekend time and your boss calls you out and asks you or tells you that I have some plans for you for tomorrow. I have certainly some task for you for tomorrow. I thought that you might be interested in joining it. But would you ruin your weekend for that? No. So would you say, no sir, I won't be coming? No. You can say, thank you so much for thinking about me regarding this plan. But unfortunately, I have some other plans for weekends. I have some other engagements or promises or priorities which I have to fulfill. So I suppose we can shift the plan for day after tomorrow. The fourth situation may be when a co-mate of yours or a colleague of yours asks you about a question and you don't have any idea about that. So would you say, no, I don't know? It may sound rude and it may give an impression that you are not ready to help him or her. So you can say, I really appreciate this that you thought about me for asking this question, but I'm really sorry, but I am terrible in this subject. So you can say this, you can try this. Then, if you are leading a team, for next situation, if you are leading a team, you are a leader and one of your follower or one of your member of the team gives you a suggestion from his part, but according to that situation you don't see that that answer, that suggestion fits into the scenario. So would you say, no, I cannot take your suggestion? It may hurt his feeling. It may see that you are dominating. It may see that you are ruling over them, or it may see that you are not at all interested or considerate towards the member of the team. So you can say that, thank you so much for your precious suggestion. It really sounds good and it may give a really good result, but I feel I'll save this suggestion for future reference. At this moment, it may not synchronize with the situation. So, I'll use your suggestion in some other task. So by saying so, you have gladly accepted the suggestion from the part of your member, and also you have told him that sorry, I cannot take your suggestion at the moment. These are some ways in which in different situations you can say no to different people associated to you without hurting them or without being so straightforward that could give a bad impression about you. Thank you. I feel you like this. If it is so, give it a like, give it a comment, and also share it as much as possible.